In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage different profiles in the Brave browser on your computer. Whether you want to separate your work and personal browsing or simply keep things more organized, using profiles can make a big difference in how you use your browser. Let's get started by opening your Brave browser. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll usually see a profile icon there. It might show your avatar, your name, or just a simple silhouette. This icon is where you manage all your browser profiles. If you don't see it right away, click on the menu button, which is represented by 3 lines or 3 dots. From that menu, look for an option that says Profile or Switch Person. Click on it to open the Profile Management section. Now, to create a new profile, look for an option that says Add Profile or Add New Profile. Once you click it, a setup window will appear on your screen. At this point, you'll be asked to name your profile. Choose something clear and meaningful, like work, personal, school, or anything that helps you quickly recognize it later. This small step makes switching between profiles much easier. Next, you'll have the option to choose a color or an avatar. This helps visually separate each profile, so you can instantly tell which one you're using just by looking at the browser window. It's a simple feature, but it makes a big difference when you're managing multiple profiles. You may also see an option to sign in or enable syncing. This part is optional. If you sign in, your bookmarks, history, and settings can sync across devices for that specific profile. If you prefer to keep things local or separate, you can skip this step and continue without signing in. Once everything is set, click Create or Done. Brave will open a new browser window using your newly created profile. This window acts like a completely separate browsing space with its own history, extensions, and settings. Now, managing profiles is just as easy as creating them. Anytime you want to switch, simply click the profile icon again and select the profile you want to use. The browser will instantly switch to that environment, helping you stay organized and focused. If you ever need to edit or remove a profile, you can return to the same profile section and manage it from there. This gives you full control over how your browsing is structured. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can create and manage multiple profiles in Brave and keep your browsing experience clean and organized. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.